Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Today, I'm diving deep into how you can become a god over your self-limiting beliefs. Sounds epic, right? Stick with me. We all carry around beliefs that hold us back like invisible chains. These self-limiting beliefs box us in, keeping us from our true potential. But here's the kicker. All beliefs, to some extent, limit us. Every belief creates a mental framework, a cage, that confines our reality. The real question is, do your beliefs align with your dreams? Ask yourself, does this belief move me towards my goals? If the answer is no, it's time to change that belief. Beliefs are just repeated thoughts with an emotional charge. They become our truths, but often they're just ideas pretending to be facts. Our beliefs shape our experiences, so it's crucial to rewire the ones that don't serve us. The ego loves being right. It clings to beliefs even if they hold us back. But you have to decide. Do you want to be right, or do you want to live your dream life? Beliefs can trick us into reinforcing our limitations. The solution? Detach from the ego and connect to the divine. With God, all things are possible. Beliefs from this higher awareness align naturally with your dreams. Let go of the idea that you need to do anything special to manifest your desires. That's the ego talking. Instead, rest in the knowing that the divine will do the heavy lifting. Your job? Align your beliefs. Catch any belief that doesn't empower you, challenge it, and replace it with one that does. This takes practice, but it's the key to breaking free from self-imposed limits and becoming a god over your beliefs. You are worthy of living your dreams. Align your beliefs, let go, and let the divine manifest the life you desire. Peace and much love.